Hello, I'm Shailendra Singh from MakeMyProject.in from Global Logica Software Technologies. One batch successfully they finished one project within one day. So let's see like they are satisfied with the project or not, and what the guidance we are giving in one day. They are aware of that all the course or not. First, you introduce about yourself.
I'm Sovit Kumar Shetty. I'm from Eastman College of Engineering and from Information Science Department, 8th semester. We have done the project in just 4 hours code and the illustrate all the things very nicely. I'm really happy with that and I'm really good.
What about you?
Yeah, I'm Saurabh. I'm from Information Science Department from East Point College. We are the same team. We are doing a project on avionics process recording system, and Sir has helped us to create the front end for the webcam designing. And it's really amazing how he helped us to do this in 4 hours. Really pleased with it.
That's great. And you are satisfied with the coding what we explained?
Yeah, and whatever you explained, we are satisfied and we are quite understood.
Okay. So I think the later also if you are seeing, you will not give that grade point, but you will understand that.
Yeah, that will be.
Thanks for giving